Welcome back to the online classes. This is Zafrullah Mangi from the Department of Mathematics at SMB Qaid-e-Azam Public School, Darsana Chana. We are going to start lecture about exercise problems for class 2nd year. Problem number 1, chapter number 1, exercises 1.1. Problem number 1 is that let A be the set of all students. A is the set of the all students in a class. For each x belongs to A. X is the student, represent the element of A, which is represent the student, which belongs to the set A. Let A of x, here A of x given to the set. In previous lectures we are solving many problems of the function. Here A is contains the role of function, so here A or F both are same, contains function. So Ax basically written as in the form of f of x, because this is the function of x. So here A of x is represent the function of x, which is belongs to the function A, set A. So here let Ax represent the function of Ax, denote the age of x. This is basically the function, and the function represent the element, or you can say that function represent the set or variable x, and represent is this function or not. So here is this function or not. Ax contains basically the function A of x variable. So x represents the student of each student in a class. So here the solution is that, let's suppose solution here A is the set of students in a class where x is the student of class, student in a class. So here basically Ax is equals to x, because here Ax represent the whole class in which there how many students are there. So if we put here the values of x, let's suppose x belongs to real number or any number contains either negative number or 0, positive number or so on. Let's suppose here we put here x is equals to 0, then what will be the result is 0 is equals to 0. If we put here the result of x is equals to 1, then what will be the value of function? Here x represent or x put the values of 1, then what will be the result is A of x, function of x represent here x value of 1 is equals to 1. So each function contains a unique output. In this situation we can say that this problem represent the function. So here A of x denote the age of x is a function. So that's our answer. Now this function in the same problems contains a second number jo problems exercise of 1.1 is same with regarding this question. So you can solve it easily with yourself. Now let question number 3, let f represent the function which relates our binary operation, or you can say mapping real positive to the real numbers. Here real positive only contains real numbers which starts from greater than 0 in positive sense. So its outcome will be contains in real numbers which are either positive, negative or neutral number. You can say that 0. Be defined by function f of x is equals to radius of x, or you can say that under root x. So this function represents the whole situation of input and output. So for each x belongs to real positive, because here the domain contains only x element. Here x contains only positive real numbers, because plus sign represent only positive numbers. So each of x value belongs to the positive number and its outcome will belongs to the real number, either positive, negative or 0. Recall that real positive is the set of all the real positive numbers. Real positive numbers which are start from greater than 0, either 0.2, either 0.1, any number which are greater than 0. In this sense we can say that these are the positive numbers, positive real numbers. Okay, here we shown is this a function or not, this given function is function or not. So now we solve it in briefly. Here let's suppose the given function is that solution, let here the given function f of x is equals to radical x. Basically radical x you can written in the form of x power 1 upon 2, x raised power 1 upon 2, because here radical contains only 1 upon 2. Radical form any number which contains radical, then the power of that number is represent 1 upon 2. So here basically radical in the sense of power 1 upon 2 is used here. So now we put here the values of x which are belongs to the positive real numbers. X represent the domain and its function represent the codomain, or you can say that image, or you can say in other words this is the range. So here x contains only positive numbers, positive real numbers. So you can any value positive put here in the place of x which are belongs to the positive real numbers, and this positive real numbers contains or gives us any number which are related to the real number, either positive, negative or neutral. So here we take x is any number, let's suppose 2, then put in the function f of x. Here put the value of x is equals to 2 and radical x, here the value of x is equals to 2. Now in the place of x we put here 2, 1 upon 2. Then what will be the result is 1.414. So that's our answer, because this point relates to the real number and this point relates to the positive real numbers. Now we choose the second point of the x which is either positive or neither, but here x must be choose the positive number, but it doesn't make the real number outcome. Okay, so here choose the second value of the x is any positive number. Let here x represent 9, so put here the value of x is equals to 9 in the place of x. Here radical x, value of x is equals to 9, then 9 whole power 1 upon 2. In radical sense it gives us two values. Number one is positive and number second one is in the form of negative. So here the square root of the 9 is equals to 3, which are positive or negative. How can we define n? 9 of the square root is 3. Let's suppose here f of 9 which contains 9 power 1 upon 2, 9 is represent here 3 multiplied 3, 3 multiplied 3 result will become in the form of 9. So you can say that this 2 3 in multiplication form you can written as 3 power 2 3 square. So here we put here in the place of 9 you can put here 3 power 2 and whole power is 1 upon 2. So when the number contains the power of the power, in this sense the both powers in the form of contains in the form of multiplication form. So here 2 powers contains in the multiplication form. So here 2 will be cancelled, then result will become in the form of 3 power 1. But here in radical sense it contains positive or negative. It contains 2 values. Number one is positive and second one is negative. If we cancel here the power rule, then it contains positive and a negative sign. So here in this sense 3 power 1 contains only 3. So here positive 3 and negative 3. But here in both situation we must taking only positive value, because in function there is no any contains more than one value, because in function if one domain sense this is not denotes the function. So here we only taking positive value, because in radical sense there is no contains positive or negative rule. So here it must be only in the sense of positive. So if of 9 contains only 3 number, 3 is positive, belongs to the real number. Now you can choose any values of x positive and you can solve it easily. So this is our example, because here we put here the value 2 values of x. So this function satisfied in this function. So this is our answer. So you can say that this is a function which is given in the form. Number 4 question of the exercise 1.1. If function of the interval is given from -1 to the 5, this interval contains only 5 numbers, only 7 numbers, but in the sense of real it contains more than values, because in real sense, real form, it contains in the decimal form, in the fractional form of the numbers. So here there is a limit point of the closed interval is that start from -1 and ending at 5 number, and in between infinite numbers are defined. So here function represent the closed interval from -1 to the 5, and its outcome result in the sense of real number is given by f of x is equals to x square. This is given function and this is our closed interval, and here for each values of x, this alternating sign of a is represent the for all values of any elements of the set. So here for all values of x belongs to the interval -1, 5. So this symbol represent or denotes the for all values or for each values. Okay. So now find this function is given and this interval is also given, and here we find f of 2. Here the function is given but the point x represent the value 2, because this f of x represent here x. So here there is given the value of x. So here is x and here is 2. So the value of this x represent 2. So when we put here the result of 2, then what will be the result is our outcome is. Now number second point is f of -1 upon 2. So now second value of x is represent -1 upon 2, and third image of 0. Here this function represent the 0, whole function represent the 0 of image, and what will be the input. Number second, and image of 5 is what? So here these are the basic terms and represent domain, and these are represent the domain of X, a domain of the given set. So number second point, main thing is that can you find the value of f8 minus 2? यहाँ पर हमें ये बताना है कि -2 को हम क्या वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो एंड नंबर सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट डज देयर एग्जिस्ट अ रियल नंबर? Does there exist a real number x such that f of x is equals to -1? Is there any number x represent real number which represent the function f of x is equals to -1? So now we can solve this problem of the given function on the interval -1, 5, and the first point is that is 2, number second point is 1/2. Then we find the image of here, given the image of 0, and find here the domain of x, and here image of 5 means is there is already shown the outcome, but we represent the domain of here. So and again we solve the value, solve the function at the point of -2. You can see here there is an interval which is start from -1 and ending at 5. So here there is no -2 of the point x. So this cannot be solved easily in the sense of interval, because their interval is start from -1 to the 5, but there is no -2 values, so that's why we cannot solve this function. So again here so here f of x solution, f of x is equals to x square. First point is that f of 2, then what will be the result is here x contains 2 value. Now when we put here in function the value of x is equals to 2, then what will be the outcome of this function? So here f of 2 is equals to 2 whole square, because the value of x is equals to 2, then we put here in the place of x the value is 2. So here again x is equals to 2 whole square, then the outcome is 4, and it belongs to the real number. Now second point, f of -1/2. Here x contain -1/2. Now put in this function f of -1/2, it contains -1/2 whole square. Then in sense of square, the base multiplied 2 times each other, -1/2 multiplied -1/2, and this minus multiplied by minus converted into the plus, minus plus. 1 multiply 1, result will be 1. 2 multiply 2, result will be 4. So this number represent also the interval in real number. Now the second point is that if the function gives us any point, gives us the whole function result is 0, then what will be the dependent, or you can say the input value of x. So here put here, if x is equals to 0, then the result will be what? 0 square, which is equals to 0. So this is our answer. Now here if the image of 5, so there is no any particular value which are putting here, if we put here the radical 5, then it will become only 5 point, or you can say that image of 5. So here x represent, so this is our answer because we are already solid. So this is 1 upon 4 positive, this is answer. Now f of value of x is what, then the image of function is 5. Image of 5 is what? So if we put here the 5, then what will be the result is? If we put here x is the value of 5, then what will be the result is? If we put here 5, then square of 5 is equals to 25. If we put here the place of x is equals to 0, then what will be the image of x is? If we put here the image of x is equals to 0, then 0 square represent the 0. So these are the main 4 points represent the function at point 8.2, then the result will become a 4. And number second point, at x reach at minus 1 upon 2, then outcome will reach at the 1 upon 4. Number third point, image of 0 is also the result of image of 0 is equals to 0, where here the image of 5 is represent only 25. Now in last point, can you find the value of function 8 minus 2? Here if we put here x is equals to minus 2, but it doesn't belongs to the minus 1 comma 5. So here this point is not exist in the interval. So this is our, in this sense we cannot solve easily the function at the point of minus 2, because minus 2 point is not given in the given interval. If the interval contains open interval, then in this situation we can solve easily at the point minus 2 on the function. So these are the basic terms or the basic functions. You can solve it, the values of function, put here the inputs, gives the inputs and takes the outcomes. So this is example, this is related to the question number 5 in the exercise 1.1. So you can solve it easily by the yourself help. So inshallah I hope you can solve it. Question number 5 is compared to the question number 4, and question number 1 is also same with question number 2. Inshallah we will discuss in the next exercise problems. Inshallah.